future astronauts. Welcome all. Helmets on and suits zip tight. Everything checked for the big launch flight. 3, 2, 1, the engines roared. Up to space their rocket soared. Zoom, zoom, up we fly. Past the clouds into the sky. Astronauts, brave and smart. Space adventure is about to start. Float, float, way up high among the stars that twinkle and shine. In the rocket, what a surprise! They began to float before their eyes. No up, no down, just glide around. In zero gravity, they spun around. They ate space snacks squeezed from a pack and watched Earth's blue oceans far below and back. Look how small our world can be. Let's take care of it carefully. Zoom, zoom through the night. Moon and planets shining bright. Astronauts learning every day. Science leads the way. Float, float, don't be shy. Space is fun when you explore the sky. Check the controls, turn the switch, study the stars, every inch. Satellites, help phones, and maps. Science power, no gaps. Then they landed on the moon so slow. Tiny footprints in the glow. Bounce, bounce, light and free. Moonwalking happily. Mission complete, time to return. So much space science they had learned. Back to Earth with a gentle glide. Big proud smiles they couldn't hide. We explored the stars tonight.